Good morning and good evening, everyone. I'm going to cook Bicol Express Chicken for our lunch. Super yummy! First thing, I need to add 1 tablespoon of oil, 1/2 of onions, and stir it well. And then some of ginger. When the ginger is cooked and also onions, I need to add 5 cloves of chopped garlic. This kind of recipe, guys, is called Bicol Express Chicken. It's very delicious. Normally, they put like slice. It's very small, but I rather put like have a bone my chicken. And also add the 2 pounds of chicken slice. Subscribe my video, guys. Like, share, and leave comment. Don't forget to push the notification. Every time I upload my video, you always update it. So now you have to stir it well. And then after that, you have to simmer it until the blood is gone. And also you add 1 tablespoon of beef powder. If you have no beef powder stock, you can add 1 tablespoon of chicken powder or cubes. And also you have to mix it well. And by the way, guys, I add this also 1 tablespoon of black pepper. It's up to you if you want to put. It's optional only. And then add the tomato paste or shrimp, like dry shrimp. 1 tablespoon of shrimp paste I add, guys. First time I cook this, it's super yummy. I already tried it before, but I try my Bicol Express Chicken. It's really good and delicious. You need to try. Everyone, it's very, very delicious. So you have to make it well and simmer it until the blood, as you can see, the blood is gone. Then now I add like 1 can coconut milk. I bought in Walmart. And add 2 tablespoons of white sugar or brown sugar. It's up to you. Or 1 tablespoon. It's up to you, guys. Or if you don't want to put the sugar, it's fine. But I like my food to have a little bit sugar or whatever. And then you have to simmer it until the coconut milk gets dry or sticky. I would like to shout out to all my family back home and to all my subscriber and silent viewers. Thank you so much. I'm sorry, I'm very busy this time, so thank you so much that I just upload a video. I really appreciate you always there and visiting my channel and supporting me. Thank you so much. And subscribe, like, share, and leave comment, and don't forget the notification bell. Everyone, you have to try it. It's really, really good. I tried already with rice. Oh my. So you can cook the pork belly Bicol Express, or normally di po tao I add a chili, green chili, on hot chili. The green chili, guys, is already hot, spicy. And then add, but I don't want to put, it's up to you if you like very spicy. You can chop the chili, the red chili. But for me, I'm not really like very spicy, so I want only mild. I just put the green chili. And I put the red. So now the food is ready to serve. Thank you so much. Please leave comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. God bless, and see you when my next upload. Bye-bye. By the way, thank you so much for visiting my channel always. Thank you, and God bless you all. Bye.